Hello everyone, this is Arifin Hassan Ratul and welcome to Ratul the Coder. In this video, I will teach you about HTML attributes. Are you ready to learn HTML attributes? If you are ready to learn HTML attribute, please write in the comment sections I am ready, and please like the video, and if you find this video helpful, please share to your friends and family members who are interested to learn HTML video. So uh, let's start the video. At first we will open VS Code, and first I will open the VS Code by clicking on this icon, and now I will create a file whose name will be index.html. In last two videos I have taught you about HTML basic, HTML tags, and doc type HTML. So now I won't teach you this again. At first let's write me the code. Then I will give the HTML tag, head tag, body tag. In the body tag, let me write something. Hello world. Fun. If you want to give the icon in Windows, please press Windows plus semicolon, and here there are many icons. Let's write, give this icon like. If you don't like this video, please like this video and share your valuable comment in the comment section. Let me save open it with VS Code. Here we have written this. Now I will teach you the attributes. So these are the tags. This is the opening tag, and this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. Through attributes we increase the power of HTML. Like we are writing here English language. We are writing the code in English language, and our text are all in English language. So if you want to taught HTML, that the HTML we are writing English text, we have to use language attribute. So we have to write the attribute in the HTML. Let's write the language attribute. This is the language. Then you have to give a comma, equal sign, and you have to give double quotation, and we will use English. If you write this, you won't see any change, because it don't change in your code. It just we just tell HTML we are writing English code, just like this. If you want uh, if you are writing Bangla, you can use BN, and if you want to write French, you have to use French thing. If you come to W3 schools, I will recommend you to learn HTML or any other things through W3 schools. There are so many attributes here. Through its attribute, we use the power of our tag. If you want this, when I will hover on the hello, it will show me this is for hello or text. If you want to do this, when I will hover on the I am repeating again. If you want to do this that when I will hover on hello text, hello world text, it will show me a message, small message. Then you have to use title attribute. Let's give title at TITLE. We will give equal and double quotation. Here we will write this is hello world text. Let's save this. and when I will hover, let's see, it is showing me this is hello world text. uh, where I save the, let me uh, uh, find a text for you. Let's give a text in our attribute folder. In the last video I told you that if you want to give a image you have to use img tag. If you write this you won't see anything here because our JavaScript will understand, oh there is a image, but we don't tell that where is the what is the path of the image. So if you want to do that you have to use src attribute. Then you will use thumbnail png. If you save this, yes you will this you will you will see this is our and if and in image tag I am to, if you will know more in the HTML image video, but now I am telling you that we in image tag we have to use another attribute, alt attributes. This is an image. We write this because sometimes JavaScript can browser can load the image. In that time it will show a text that here is an image. For example, see this is, I am giving the wrong path but it is showing me that there is an image. For this reason we use alt attribute. If you want to give width, that the width will be 100, then it will give the width and automatically the height will be adjusted according to the width. So that's all. One thing another thing is we have to give the attributes in the opening tail, not in the closing tail. For example, we write the lang attribute in the opening tag, not in the closing HTML tag. We write the title attribute in the opening HTML tag, not closing. IMG has one not don't have any closing tag, so we don't have to give a, we will use the attribute in here. So that's all. I hope you learned the HTML attributes well, and if you want to have any confusion, please you can share uh, in the comment box. I will answer this if I'm free as well. And if you want to learn more about HTML attributes, you can go to W3 schools to learn more. I will recommend you to, after seeing my video, you should come in W3 schools to know more about this. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. So please subscribe to my channel, and in the description I will give you the source code so that you can find this. Let me initialize the git repository. Yes. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.